bats are blind, and they rely solely on echolocation.
Bulls hate the color red.
Bulls hate the color red.
Cockroaches can survive a nuclear blast.
The myth supposedly, if a nuclear explosion were to occur, cockroaches would be the only surviving creatures. While every other living thing would perish from radiation, these bugs would endure. Animated movie classic Wall-E affirms this theory. The only living animals in the post-apocalyptic world are cockroaches. The truth, in reality, though, cockroaches would not survive a nuclear blast. Yes, they are strong. However, their distinctive biological structure isn't strong enough to withstand extremely high doses of radiation. Additionally, the force of any explosion would render them defenseless.
Dogs are colorblind.
The myth: people believed dogs were colorblind for decades, and movies didn't help the misconception. In Cats and Dogs, the dogs are unable to disarm a bomb despite knowing the correct procedure because they cannot tell which wire is which. It's usually suggested that dogs only see in black and white. The truth, although dogs are not quite as capable as humans at seeing color, they definitely do not see in black and white. Canines distinguish between different colors to some degree. However, they only have two different types of cones that detect color, so it's difficult for them to see reds and greens.
Lemmings commit mass suicide by jumping off cliffs.
The myth: lemmings garnered a decades-old reputation for being suicidal. The Disney documentary White Wilderness was responsible for popularizing the concept. The truth: the animals never exhibited any tendencies to commit suicide. In fact, the type of lemmings shown in the Disney film don't even migrate. Allegedly, the scenes were faked. The small animals were driven into the water. They didn't voluntarily choose their deaths.
Mothers abandon baby birds that humans touch.
The myth: folklore suggests that touching a baby bird dooms the young creature. Allegedly, nestlings that are handled by humans will be abandoned because the human scent confuses bird parents. Films like Fly Away Home warn that any well-wishing children should steer clear of injured or lost birds. The truth: most birds will never abandon their young except in very specific circumstances. Like other animals, these winged creatures innately prefer to protect their children, developing bonds as soon as the eggs hatch. Besides, birds generally have a very weak senses of smell. They wouldn't be able to distinguish the scent of a person from the other smells in the surrounding area.
Sharks smell blood from miles away.
The myth: anyone who watched Jaws learned about sharks' sense of smell. According to movies, the water-bound animals are able to sense a single drop of human blood from miles away, immediately locating wounded prey. The truth, although scientists long suspected that sharks had a superior sense of smell, certain studies casted doubt on the theory. Researchers found that sharks were able to sense blood, but the animals can't detect blood over great distances. If they were able to smell that well, they'd be oversensitive to other ocean scents. The influx of information would confuse them. More Shark: what it's like to be attacked by a shark. 3 of 13 the dumbest things we believe about animals thanks to pop culture. 11 of 17 seriously weird sea creature eggs that'll change how you see the ocean.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye!